Welcome. In front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card. Now there is no way to actually insert a memory card or a kind of SD. There's only a dual SIM slot, so that's what I'm going to show. And to do it, we will need either this pin ejector, usually comes with a phone somewhere in the box, or you can just use a paper clip, bend it to be a kind of straight, and you can put that in there too. So once you have that ready, you can take it, and on the left side you'll have the tray with a little hole, so you can just stick that tool in there and push it in till the tray pops out. So once it does, just pull it out all the way, and from here you take the SIM cards and you put them in with the cutout on the bottom right corner, and make sure that they're laying in there flush like so. And once that's ready, hold them in place and you can slide it back in here. Oops, kind of like not how I did. So as you can see, slide it all the way in and you can hear a little snap, and from there you get at least I'm getting it because one of the cards has a pin on it, so I'm gonna put that in there to unlock it, and now I can use the phone. Now you can also change settings of the dual SIMs if you're using two of them when you go into wireless and then dual SIM settings, and from here you can either disable one of them or enable, choose which one is the default one and which one you use to call people with. Also when you go to, let's say, like a dialer, you can choose which one you want to use to call people once you select a number. And with messages you have the same thing. When you go into the number or into the message, you can just choose here with the drop down menu which SIM card you want to use to send that specific text message. So that is basically how you insert a SIM card and also kind of set it up a bit. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.